Hello and welcome to the Dropship Evolution Tool Suite. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the DSE eBay Fees Calculator, which is the only calculator out that factors in your coupons and cashback and can also tell you how to construct your formulas if you're using Hydra Lister or Sku Grid. Once you're logged into the Dropship Evolution website, click on the Account tab in the navigation area. Click on the DS Evolution Tools tab. Click on eBay Fee Calculator. Note, if you are not currently subscribed to the tool, you will see an error message letting you know that you need to make the purchase or contact an admin if you are a DSE student. You'll notice that the tool is on the left and this tutorial will be placed on the right side of the page for your easy reference. To demonstrate how to use this tool, we'll take a look at an item from Overstock, which is a store in which people have a hard time calculating profits and creating formulas for Hydra Lister and Sku Grid. This item is $152.99 at Overstock.com. Typically, people assume they are going to use either a 10 or 12% off coupon with Overstock, and they typically gain 5% in Club O rewards to use for future purchases, and they would like to consider that as part of their profit. So with the DSE Fee Calculator Up, simply select the country you're selling on, US or UK, and the currency and available options will change based on that. Then enter the amount of your eBay fees in the eBay fee rate box. It's going to be 9 if you have an eBay store and 10 if you do not. Next, enter your PayPal fee rate. This is where some people have differences. If you're unsure of your PayPal fees, it would be best to contact PayPal to obtain the correct numbers. Most people are charged 2.9% for their PayPal fees. Note, if you have some other special circumstances, such as loan fees, VA fee percentages, etc., that also need to be calculated on top of your eBay selling price, then you can enter them there into the PayPal fee rate box as well by adding that percentage to your PayPal fee rate. Next, enter the PayPal transaction fee. That is 30 cents for everyone. If you want to mark up your items to account for sales tax, then enter the percentage here for vendor tax. Note, vendor tax is calculated based on supplier price and not your eBay selling price. Most sales tax rates are between 5 to 10%, so you can choose any number in between or none at all. For this example, I will leave vendor tax at 0 because Overstock has a low likelihood of encountering sales tax. Next, enter your coupon discount. For this example, I'll enter 12% because I'm going to assume I'm using one of my 12% off coupons. Next, enter your cashback percentage. This can be cashback rewards from a supplier site and/or any type of cashback you might get from a cashback site or from your credit card if applicable. In this example, since we know that Club O members receive 5% rewards back in their account to use for future purchases, I'm going to enter 5 here. Next, you will enter your desired selling price. Typically, you can locate a competitor on eBay that is selling the item and undercut them or match their price as a place to start. For this particular item, since I know it's Overstock and that I'll be able to use a coupon on this particular item, I'll just enter my supplier cost as my selling price. Next, enter the cost at the supplier. This would be the item cost plus your shipping. When you're ready to submit, click the Calculate button. Below the fee calculator, you'll see a breakdown of how to enter the variables for your formula into Hydra or Sku Grid to get your item to be priced exactly how you want it at the time of listing. You'll also see how much you will receive or should expect to receive in cash back or rewards, as well as your profit, both without and with a coupon. This allows you to see best and worst case scenarios in the event that you are unable to use a coupon on your item. Keep in mind that as your supplier price decreases because of a coupon that you use, your cashback rewards you receive would be less as well, since they are only rewarded on the money you've paid. This calculator is set up to deduct the coupon you've entered from your supplier price so that your cashback is also calculated correctly. So looking at this item, you'll see that assuming I won't pay sales tax on this item, since Overstock only charges it in a few states, If I list the item at the supplier price of $152.99, after all of my eBay and PayPal fees are accounted for, if I'm unable to use a coupon on the item, I will lose $11.77. But if I use the 12% coupon that I intend to use, I will profit $6.58, even when I listed the item at the same price as the supplier price. Further down, the calculator shows you a breakdown of your expenses for the item. It provides you with the cost of goods sold, sales tax paid, eBay and PayPal fees, and adds them as a total expenses, in the event that you need to enter these amounts into your bookkeeping software or spreadsheets. Now I will show you how to use the calculator when listing with Hydra or creating a formula in Sku Grid. So I'll load the item quickly into Hydra Lister. Once the item is loaded into the single item lister, simply click the Override Price button. Then enter the values that the calculator showed you under the heading How to Override Item in Hydra Sku. So for this example, I'll put 0 for vendor tax, negative $18.51 for both the fixed and minimum margins, 2.9 for PayPal fee percentage, 0.3 for PayPal fee dollars, and 9 for selling other fees percentage. As you can see, the listing price will be listed at the price that I wanted, which was $152.99. I'll now show you the same with Sku Grid. In Sku Grid, when adding or editing an item, you'll click Override Default Selling Formula. Then click Use Wizard. Next, enter the same values from the calculator as we just did with Hydra into Sku Grid, then click Estimate Price. Enter the supplier price plus supplier shipping, if any, and click OK. Sku Grid will then show you what your listing price would be changed to. As for this example, you can see that by entering the values that the calculator gives, we'll come up with our exact selling price that we wanted without having to guess and play with these numbers over and over again in the formula wizards of Hydra and Sku Grid. So this tool is very useful in helping you to determine your actual profits and also helping you to quickly and easily create your formulas in Hydra and Sku Grid. Thank you for watching.